This is Nnewi as of June 22nd, 2025. This is what the roads look like, leading to some of the biggest markets in Anambra State. We are talking about roads that connect to the new motor spare parts market, even the building materials market, and several other major trade zones. Now, Nnewi is not just some random town. This is the second biggest economic hub in Anambra State, right after Onitsha. Hundreds of containers are offloaded here every week, from spare parts to electricals, building materials, auto accessories. This place is moving money, and like it's screaming money. So you mean to tell me, with all of this activity, I'm very sure they pay taxes here, levies and contributions these traders make to the state. Why is the road still like this? This is the condition of their access roads. It's honestly disappointing. The traders, importers, transporters, they are doing their part. They are keeping the economy alive. They are paying what they owe. This is just a subtle reminder to show that Nnewi is indeed doing well. Governor Charles Soludo, with all due respect, sir, we need your attention at this particular location. All right? Because we believe in a better Anambra for everyone.